Hello, my name is Omar Toledo. I am a Java instructor and today I'm gonna teach you for loop. Okay, remember this is introduction, so it's gonna be the easy way you are gonna understand that. Okay, the for loop is more complicated. In another videos later I'm gonna post that, but this is for introduction. Okay, first understand the basic things. Perfect. So let's gonna tell you now how the for loop works. Remember, before watching this video, you will have to know how the while loops work. Okay, this is like a condensed way to create loops. So if you understand first the while loops, it's gonna be much easier to understand that. Okay, so let's gonna do that. So let me explain the for loop in real practice. Okay. So how do you have to write the for loop? You have to start with the word for, then open parentheses. Okay? And then here use a variable. For example, int, here for example count. Okay? And then here there is another part of the loop that I'm going to explain you here. You're going to write here an expression that you're going to evaluate in this loop. For example, count less than 3, for example. Then semicolon, and then here you're going to write something like this. Okay, close the parentheses. Let me add curly braces. Let's gonna do something fun here. So let's gonna use the system.out, remember? So system.out tab, you're gonna have system.out from line. And here inside the parentheses, let's gonna write, for example, pollo. Okay? Everyone knows what's being pollo, right? Okay, let's gonna get fun. So what happened here? How the for loop works? It's gonna work like this. The first thing that the for loop is gonna do is just execute just for one time here and count. So at the beginning you will have to give a value to count. For example, count equal 0. For example, okay? You can assign the value that you want. Okay, but you have to provide a value here. So what you're gonna have here? Count, right? Here.
Yeah.
Okay, so at the beginning you initialize count to 0 in this example. Just remember, you execute this step only the first time of the loop, and then forget about this. Okay, count equals 0. Then what is next? We're gonna evaluate the expression. Remember the while loop that we have in the Okay, it's the same thing.
But in the same line.
Exactly, everything is gonna be in the same line, exactly. Okay, so now, what is the value of count? Remember 0. 0 is less than 3? True. So what happened? We're gonna get into the loop, the same thing to the while loop.
Yeah.
So what happened inside the loop? So I'm gonna put here output, okay? Output here. So what is gonna be the output now? Pollo, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We print pollo, and then what happened? End of the for loop, and then now what happened? We're gonna execute now this guy. We're gonna increment the value of count by 1. So now what is gonna be the value of count? 1 now here. Perfect. And then what happened? We're gonna evaluate the expression. As you see, we never touch this statement
Just
again.
the first time, and then forget about it.
Exactly. So now what happened? Let's gonna, after updating and count, let's gonna see if this expression is true. What is in count? 1. 1 less than 3? True. So let's gonna get into the loop and print pollo. Okay, then what happened? End of loop, and then now we're going to increment in count by 1, right? So the current value of in count is 1. So now we increment by 1, now it's going to be 2, right? Okay, and then what happened? What is next? We're going to execute this statement?
No.
we're going to evaluate the expression again, right?
Yes.
So what is the value of n count now?
2.
2. 2 less than 3?
True.
So we're going to print?
Pollo.
Oh, you're right? Okay. Pollo. And then what happened? We print that, and then what we're going to do that? Evaluate the expression or increment by 1?
Increment by 1.
1. So now it's going to be 3, right?
3.
So now evaluate the expression. 3 is less than 3?
False.
False. So we're going to finish the for loop. And what is the output? Pollo, pollo,
So
pollo.
3 times.
3 times, right? So now you understand how the for loop works. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Remember, you can watch the next video later. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to watch our next video. So do you like, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.